Hi everyone. I hope you'll have practice to make your knots. Now I'm going to show you how you can start your pot holder. These I have cut 8 cords of 155 inches each and found the middle, and this is the middle. So when you get the middle, then you get 16 cords. Okay? Hold all the cords together. This is on the ring. And I cut a 25-inch piece of cord. You take one end and keep that piece like that, and down this is the one, then you make a loop and hold it. See, the loop is here on my finger. Hold it and take the cord on top here and twist it around tight. See, you twist it around tight so with all the 16 cords will be twisted. Okay, that's enough. Then you have this loop here. You bring the loop out in front, and with the piece, this twisted cord, then you put this cord into that loop from the top and hold it tight. Hold it tight, okay? And then you take this top one and pull that loop. You see, you're going to pull that extra piece of cord right on top. See, it's pulled on top. Then it's nice and tight now. Then you cut the top extra and the below extra part. Okay, so that's how you make it through a ring, this part, and then you start your work. I will show you that little later. First I will show you how to make this loop. Now I have here the same thing you can do, that 8 cords. You take the center of it. You take the center and just tie it. I'm just tying it with another color so you know the difference. So your 16 cords, you're tying the center. This is the center, okay? And you put it that side. Now these are 16 cords of yours. I'm just using 4 just to show you how. But you hold all your 16 cords like this, and you take the first and the last. And you do this, and then you tie the cord. You do the middle, and then you make your knot. So I made 8 knots this side. Okay, you have to make 8 for the pot holder. You have to make 8 this side. I've done now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do 6. You do 8. I'm just doing it less because I want to show you all fast. Okay, I will write down later and tell all about the how many knots and what distance. Okay, now say this is 8. Then what you do is you remove this knot, yeah, and you turn this, put it on the other side. We are doing this because to get the center properly. Okay, so that this is the center. I had put that green knot here. Now I remove the knot and now I'm doing it this side. I'm going to make 8. Same thing, and then see, you can push the knot up and join the that side knot, so it becomes one straight handle. See, so you get your loop. When you do 8 and 8, then you get it this big. Can you see? Now I will show you how to tie that up. It's the same concept as this one. So when you do 8 and 8, it becomes 16. So you get a nice long handle. I've done how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you do 16 and you get about this much of a loop. Okay, so the same concept, you hold these together and the same thing, you leave a piece like this, make a loop with your finger and then you tie this up. See, this piece should be in front and you tie this up tight. See, you tie this up tight like this, and then when you have a small piece left, then you put it in this, put it in the center of the loop and hold it tight. Hold it tight, and then with this you have to pull it into, hold this one tight here, and you pull it inside, pull it right on top. See, once that piece goes inside, then you got it tight. Then the extra you cut. Yeah. See, now you have both the loop and this ring. Now I will show you the first part of the pot holder. Okay. Now these are 16. So you take 1, 2, divide them into 4. close once. This is one. Then you take 4. This is another one. Then this is one. And this is one. Okay? So now to start the 4, now you can start. You take the 2 ends and the same knot you make. If you make a mistake, you will know. It will look different. Otherwise, it's just that left and right, left and right. If you forgot what you did left, you'll see that there's a difference in the knot. Then you can remove it and do it. So I made 10 of these on all the 4. So you do one and then you do the next one 10 in the next one till all 4 are complete. I'm just doing a few and showing y'all that how you can do all. But I've done 10 on each. So this is the next 4th one I'm taking. Next 4 cords. First is the left. Always start first with left. Okay, then I'm doing the third one now. You can always change this side. Like this 3. So on all 4 you will get 4 like this kind, just like this one. Okay, you make 10 of these, and then I will show you how to do the twisted ones. Okay. Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to complete your pot holder. These are the 4 parts. I did them before, the 3 parts, because I left the 4th just to show you all. So here, after you did the straight knots, I left, these are 2 inches, and then I'm going to make the twisting one like this. So you have to hold the 2 middle ones and a C, and you make half a knot. And you see where 2 inches, and you can tighten it there. Make sure you hold on to the center cords all through, even though it keeps twisting. As you get along, you do 5-6 stitches and you'll see it's twisting. But you have to hold on to the center of the cords and do the C. I did 20 of these, okay? You can count them and see 20. And pull them tight. Can you see the twist forming? But you hold on to these center ones straight. It's done only one side. Okay, so you do 20 of these, and it will come this much exactly. When you do 4, you can see the same length. I'm going to do it fast because otherwise the video takes long and you can't see it. After doing this 20 of these, then I left 5 inches. Here you can see I left 5 inches. I left 5 inches, and then I did a square knot, 5 square knots. See, both sides. Now this is the right, this is the D. And you can adjust it here accordingly, okay? So these are 20, and then there is 5 inches gap. And now it's a straight knot. A straight knot is you do the full knot, C and D. And I made 5 of those. Okay, see, I did 5 and they're in line with this one. Then I left again 2 inches. Now I'm going to show you how to make attach them. Okay, you have 16 cords. So the 4, 4, 4. So the first, so you take 2 of the groups and take first and so you take the middle, the first of the right one and the second last of the, and you make a knot. The 2 inches. So you take 2 from here and 2 from here, the middle ones, and you make that knot. 2 inches you can measure and then make the knot. And these also I made 5 full knots. So see, it is joined now. This is how you join the cords. These are full knots. It depends on you. You want to make it longer, make 6 or make 10 in the right. Okay, so this is joined now. Now I want to show you, these 2 are still there. So you take, now this is one straight, so you take this last ones that you left and you join them in this way. The same thing, you do the knots after 2 inches. Okay, so these are done. Then you can still join them. Then I left here 2 inches. Here you can leave 2 inches and do these, join this one. If you don't want to make these small ones, you can do like this long. See, I made long, here 10, and then I left 2 inches, and then I did another 15, and then I joined it at the bottom. I'm just showing yours because I'm doing it fast here, but I've written down how many inches and how many knots till the end, so you'll get the idea. And I sent you a picture of the green one which is fully done, so you can go step by step looking at that. Okay. Okay, now to join all together. Now see, these are all done, and then you gather them together. You will have small pieces like this way. So gather like this, and then you do that what you did on the top. Make a loop, hold it together like this. Make a loop with your finger. Can you see? Make a loop with your finger and tie this tight. Tie it tight. Like you did the same way on top. Okay, when you tie it tight, then you have this, here you have all these knots tying tight like this, and then you cut and put that and pull it up, so you'll get a tight one like this. Okay, I have written it down and I will send you all that